Okay, now we are going to tie a sheet bend. Okay, we use a sheet bend to tie two lines of different diameter, where a reef knot won't work. The most common use for this would be to tie a heaving line to a mooring line. So here we have the mooring line, here we have the end of the heaving line. So we bring the heaving line up through the middle of the loop of the big line. It goes around the back and underneath, and then back under itself, not back through the loop again. Everyone tries to go back through the loop, it just goes under itself. And that there is a sheet bend. If you're a little bit concerned, you can do a double sheet bend. And all that is one more turn of the tail. It goes back under itself. And there we go. Won't come undone, and very easy to undo when you want it to.